What's up? How you doing? I'm excited to introduce to you a new tool that I'll be adding to my health and wellness toolbox, the TicWatch GTH PRO by Miles Floyd. So this watch actually just got released, so everything about it is brand new to me. And so you guys get the opportunity to really explore this new fitness wearable device in the same fashion that I'll be exploring it. So as I'm learning and using and wearing it, you all will be able to see how I relate to it through my stories, through my Instagram feed. So I'm super excited for this journey. Just looking at the box, the first thing I noticed is it has over 13 features that it lists on the box. They have an AI system, very similar to that of like a Siri or a Google Assistant. There's this called Artie, Artie, artificial intelligence. In addition to that, it also has 24/7 heart rate tracking. It has 7 to 10 day battery life. It's waterproof. I can take it not only in my pool to shower with me, or if I wanted to take a swim in the ocean, the good old Atlantic Ocean, I could do that. Respiratory rate detection, sleep tracking. It auto recognizes the workouts that you do. It also has a PPG sensor on it. It's a very cool feature to have on a wearable. Just first glance at it, when you look at the box, or at least the picture of the box, it looks very similar to that of like an Apple Watch or Fitbit. It's sleek, the bezel is very thin, it's rounded, it has a square face, and it looks like it has a silicone band. Let's open it up. All right, nice. So it's exactly as pictured. Exactly as pictured. Okay, so the first thing I noticed is there's two components. It comes with the watch, and I would assume that this bad boy right here is a container for the charging cord. All right, so as I pull it out and work to get it out, again, silicone band. It looks very similar to some of the leading competitive wearables that you see out there with this square bezel and with rounded edges. The two features of this watch that I'm really excited to put to use is one, the sleep tracking capability, because I know not only will it give me a really great heart rate reading, but also give me heart rate variability, which is a stress management tool. But then also, I really am curious to see the type of feedback that Artie, the artificial intelligence, is able to give me after about 1 to 2 weeks of actually wearing it while I'm working out or leisurely working or just living life. So I will definitely update you guys. You'll definitely be seeing some of the features that I mentioned earlier be put to good use. All right, catch me next time.